This video will review the Demographics Report tab on the Workforce Deployment Dashboard. The Department of Human Resources and the Edison Business Intelligence team in the Department of Finance Administration has collaborated to build an easy-to-read series of dashboards in the Business Intelligence module of Edison. The Workforce Deployment Dashboard contains key human capital management data metrics that begin at the highest level, such as staffing, turnover, and demographics, in an easy-to-read format. In this video, we will be discussing the report containing demographics data that appear in the Workforce Deployment Dashboard. This demographics report is staffing data at the agency, division, and individual employee level. Turnover-related demographics can be found in the Retention Dashboard. Please see the videos for the Retention Dashboard for more information. The demographics report has four options: age band, ethnicity, gender, and social generation, that are all based on the calculations from the employee's demographic information as entered into their employee record in Edison. Age band is based on the employee's date of birth and groups employees into age groupings that were preset in the BI database. Ethnicity and gender is calculated by the employee's declared category in Edison, and the generation calculations are also based on the employee's date of birth and categorized using the Pew Research Center generation definitions. The state of Tennessee has been using the definitions from Pew since 2015. Now let's look at the demographics data as it appears in the dashboard. There are two ways to access the Business Intelligence module from the Edison homepage. The first way is to click here. Under the Other Applications list, click on Business Intelligence. The second way is to click on the navigation bar at the top right corner, click on Menu, and click on Business Intelligence. From the homepage, access the Workforce Deployment Dashboard by clicking on the Dashboard drawdown at the top right of the page. On the list of dashboards, click on Workforce Deployment. The Workforce Deployment Dashboard's default is to open to the Overview tab. To access demographics data, click on the Demographics tab. For the purposes of this video, the filter is set to see General Services Demographics data as of the end of 2022. There is only one view of the reporting on the Demographics tab, the Headcount Demographics Report. However, all four demographics categories can be seen in this view. After selecting a demographics category, the report will show two tables and one graph. The two tables have the same data on them. This is a system issue that has to do with users with statewide security access. The second table provides statewide security users with expanded data beyond the main table. For users with agency access only, it becomes a redundant table. On the left side of the report, there is a drawdown where users can access any of the four demographic categories. The default is generational data, labeled as Social Generation Band. Clicking on any one of these categories will show the data for that category in the window. For example, currently on the screen is the report for social generation. If the user selects ethnic group name or ethnicity, the window changes to this view. In any of the categories, if a group has no employees in it, in this ethnicity example, American Indian or Alaskan Native is not among the list. The name will not show on the report. All four categories have drill down capabilities from any of the tables or the graph. When drilling down on any of the data, the same categories that are in the drawdown on the left will appear in the drill down section. This is a system requirement in order to have the correct data populate in the drill down. To drill down on the desired category, be sure to click on the same category in the drill down options that is in the upper left drawdown field. A new page will appear with the same data on it. As in other reports, the drill downs for division level, employee detail level can be made from here. The view on the division level data is a little different from other dashboards. The demographic breakdown from each division has several rows. In this example, you will see that only ethnic categories of the employees in that division show on the screen, and a total employee count for that division is also shown. If there are no employees in that category, it will not appear on this list. This is true for the age band, gender, and social generation reports as well. On this page, the percentages shown are based on the total employee count for that division. When the user selects the drill down to view by employee detail, a staffing pattern report will appear but will include two additional columns. This is a partial view of the staffing pattern for privacy reasons. Age band and the social generation designation are additional columns. Gender and ethnicity appear as they do in a regular staffing pattern. This concludes the Workforce Deployment Demographics Report training. Please view our other videos in this section to learn more about the individual dashboards and reports. If you have any questions, please contact a member of the DOHR Organizational Performance and Data Management team directly or at dohr.opdm@tn.gov at any time. Thank you.